Hey babes, welcome back to my channel and to another Life in My 30s vlog. So as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing like a spring reset and refresh. Spring is finally here. It is definitely one of my favorite seasons. As you already know, I just got back from like traveling about a few weeks ago, so I'm just kind of getting back into the routine of things. Definitely think that my house is in need of a good cleaning, and also I want to kind of decorate a little bit for spring. So that's what we're going to be doing on this vlog, a little bit of spring cleaning, a little bit of decorating. Also, I'm going to be doing some beauty maintenance right here at the house, and I'm going to show you some of my favorite products that I've been loving lately. Spring is definitely one of my favorite seasons simply because of, come on, the warm weather. Let's get into these pool days, brunch days, but most importantly, the outfits. I'm just here for spring dresses. So with that being stated, this video is sponsored by Walmart. Thank you to Walmart for sponsoring this video. I've been working with Walmart for some time now, over the seasons honestly, and I've been showing you all the latest and greatest from Walmart, and it's not going to stop here now that we're in spring. Walmart, they did not play with the girls. Walmart did not come to play with the girls this season. Walmart is literally your fashion destination. It's a one-stop shop for all of your spring needs. Clothing, accessories, shoes, beauty, home, like you already know. Super affordable, a variety of items that you can shop from this spring or summer, no matter the occasion. Everything will be linked down below in the description box, including my sizes. But baby, let's go ahead and get into these pieces that I got. Start off with a pair of shoes. Are you kidding? I love wearing flats for the spring. Easy to throw on and go. You can dress these up or you can wear them casually. They have just a small little heel here. They're true to size, and I just love the details of these sandals. The buckle is leopard print, which is super cute, just a nice added detail. And then the overall texture of the sandal is just so cute. And I love how neutral they are, so you can definitely wear these with a lot of things. Let's go ahead and move on to the clothing items, which I'm just so excited about. First item here that we're showing from Walmart is this dress. It is like this little skater dress. I love the color, like this light purple. It has like ridges in it. It is super duper like stretchy, so you know your girl had to go down a few sizes. I did get an extra small, which I was thinking like, ooh girl, you about to be pushing it, but no, it fits so perfectly. It fits exactly the way that I wanted it to. It's giving the girls quality, okay? This is gonna be just so cute to throw a crossbody bag with, some sandals, or like I said, if you wanted to dress it up, you can definitely wear some kid heels with it. So perfect. Oh my god, yes. Walmart is getting me right for the spring, you hear me? Next item is a dress, of course. This one is kind of similar to the last, except for it does have like sleeves here. Still like that bodycon, you know, tight fit. It kind of reminds me of like a skater dress, but just a little bit more conforming. Of course, I'm here for the stripes. Like, I just feel like spring is the perfect time to wear stripes. I just love the style of this dress overall, how the stripes get small and then get thicker as it goes down. It's very lightweight. This is also very stretchy. It is white and navy blue. It's ribbed material. I just love the sleeves on this dress because it's just so freaking cute and flirty. I just love the way that it just looks. I feel like it's the perfect dress for a nice brunch with your girls. Come on, Orange, like, I'm obsessed. This gorgeous. It kind of gives me an illusion of a set, but it's a dress. This is buttery smooth material, very stretchy, but also very conforming like on the body. Warm weather, so the shoulders are out. It definitely does a little bit of like this scrunchy, like Russian type vibe. It brings everything into this left side, which gives you a really nice shape. It's very flowy with a split. That split just really takes it up a notch. It is the perfect time to wear like an all white. It's a knit top. It has a collar and like a deep V neck. Definitely could have went down a size in this because it is like super duper like stretchy, but I'm not mad at it, especially like just to throw on and go. Really nice and lightweight. I paired it with this skirt. Now they ate with this one. I absolutely love this skirt. I think what I love the most about it is the split. The split I am literally here for. It is so cute and you can wear this so many different ways. Now the shirt and the skirt is, you know, a little bit off when it comes to the color. Like this is a true white and like the skirt is kind of like an off-white denim, but baby, it is just still such a beautiful combination. I love that it has like pockets. I love that it has a belt loop, so I can definitely add, you know, a little bit of contrast to this look. Shout out to you, Walmart. Shout out to you. Next item here is this navy blue slip skirt. Gorgeous. It's just so easy to throw on a go. Sandals, obviously, but you can obviously wear them with like some casual sneakers as well. I did get this in a size medium, and I definitely should have went down a size because I would like a more like hugging fit like here. It does have an elastic band on the waist, so it's very stretchy. So I would say definitely go down a size, but as far as like the material, the quality, like just on point. It feels so nice. Like I can sleep in this. It's just such a beautiful skirt, and I just love a satin skirt moment, you know what I mean? This is not your ordinary just like plain shirt, like button-up shirt. It has like these flower diamond like details or like rhinestones, like super cute all the way down. When I saw it on the website, like I literally could not leave it there. Like I was like, yeah, you're coming home with me. Literally add to cart. You can button it all the way down. You can tuck it in. You can wear this with jeans. You can tuck one side in, one side out. Have it kind of like this. And that's like a vibe. I think it's so on theme and just so perfect for the spring. The rhinestone buttons just add like that extra detail that, you know, I'm just really here for. It just makes it a nice, perfect like spring top. Very lightweight. It's white, so it's super easy to like style and just kind of mix and match and play around with it. It still gives like that oversized like tight feel that I love to go for like with these type of tops. Wear it with jeans, throw on some sandals and a nice little bag, and you're good to go. All right, guys, so that completes this Walmart haul. Again, thank you to Walmart for sponsoring this video. Everything will be linked down below in the description box, including my sizes, so make sure you're checking that out. Alright, you guys, so I am now in my beauty room. This is a whole task in itself, I'm not going to lie. I kind of want to go through and declutter. I got this like new insert here to add on for like my accessories and stuff, because this one over here like is an overload. So I needed to kind of like disperse and get rid of things, some of the things I don't use. And I got like sunglasses like flowing over and stuff, but I'm not really ready to do that just yet. So yeah, I guess we're just going to work on the closet. Yeah. All right, so I know that I'm not going to wear a lot of this stuff, so I feel like I just need to kind of go through and get rid of a lot of stuff. Sometimes you don't know where to start, do you? Oh gosh. So I just finished with everything. So as you can see, I cleaned out the closet, got rid of some things that I know that I'm not going to wear. I'm going to figure out a system for my equipment, and like I said, I have some shoe organizers that I'm going to put like at the bottom to utilize that space, so they're not so like crowded here in that little like space right there. But other than that, we can close this door because it's finished, it's complete. Trash bag here of clothes. So this is obviously a small closet, so that's why it's not much stuff in this bag. But when I get to my main closet and then the other closet, because yes, like I have 3 closets and they're overloading, like it's crazy. Sorry if y'all hear a dog, they being extra. But I'm gonna take this bag into my main closet, and I'm about to eat. It's pretty late, it's almost 6 o'clock, so I'm not, well, it's almost 6:30, so I'm not about to like do anything else for the rest of the day because I'm literally exhausted. I'm so tired. I've been cleaning all day and I'm tired, so I'm about to eat. But yeah, I think we did a pretty good job today, so I'm not mad at it. completes my spring self-care skin routine. I hope you guys really enjoyed that portion of the vlog. As you can see, I feel like my skin is really like glowing right now. Like, I'm here for it. Whenever we start hitting those warmer weather, I definitely want to focus on hydration. So a lot of the products that I showed you today definitely is geared towards hydration and making it look really refreshed and just kind of like brighten. If you can see, like, I really feel like my skin looks and feels amazing. Okay, and yes, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this spring reset refresh vlog. Don't forget to check out Walmart. Make sure that you're checking the description box for all the links and my sizes. Thank you so much for tuning into this vlog. I will see you in my next vlog.